Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now tab. Thanks for logging in. Wrapping up another decent day. It was a little cooler than yesterday, but still pretty nice. We look at the high temps today with about 7 degrees cooler than yesterday. We reached 50 yesterday. It was in the lower 40s this afternoon. The average high is about 45, so we're pretty close to average. We are setting up, though, for a pretty cold night tonight, as temperatures will be heading down into the mid-20s. Wow, how nice this is. Let me get rid of my picture here for a second. Can I? There we go. That is beautiful. Now, we're taping this as of about 7:10 this evening. Fiery red sunset down in Newport once again. Skies are partly cloudy. So a beautiful finish to the day. And turning colder tonight, as mentioned, we'll head down into the 20s. Even though right now, as of this taping, it's still in the upper 30s. In places like Smithfield, it does turn a lot colder during the overnight. So on average, near seasonable temperatures. Your late nights are chilly. Your afternoons are cool to mild. Watching Wednesday night, not that I'm overly concerned about any kind of a storm, but there might be some light mixed precipitation, maybe a light rain or snow shower Wednesday night. Really not a big deal. The next chance for any significant precipitation would come on Friday, and it would be in the form of rain. A very windy and mild day with temperatures that'll be well into the 50s, so a lot of melting will be taking place on Friday. Satellite photo across New England is clear. No weather issues. As we widen out the view, you can see some moisture across the northern plains, central plains, and through the Great Lakes. This will actually move, this little area of precipitation should head up into the Great Lakes and be a mist for us. With this moisture down in here, this is going to develop into a pretty significant storm system. You see this moisture across the Four Corners states, moisture coming in off the Pacific Ocean. Watch as we take the forecast over the next couple of days. This wraps up into a really an all-out blizzard on one side of it, that area of blue, out across the northern plains. Strong winds and heavy snow out ahead of the storm, heavy showers and thunderstorms. This is Thursday morning at 9 a.m. This is not a factor in our weather in terms of precipitation through at least Thursday night, but what it will do eventually is draw in some milder air up the East Coast, especially on Friday, and eventually some of this wet weather will make it in here by Friday morning, actually Friday afternoon into early Friday evening. As very mild air comes up the coastline on Friday, we should be well into the 50s. We'll get it real close. We'll take it through the next roughly 24 hours. Mainly clear tonight, and again on the cold side, you can see as temperatures overnight be dropping down to about 25 to 30 by 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. So we're waking up to some chilled sunshine during the afternoon. It's kind of a cloud-sun mixed. We should recover to about 40, 45. So a cool and dry day. Overall, fairly quiet for your Wednesday. And then by Wednesday night, there'll be a couple of either isolated rain or snow showers passing through. Not a big deal. The chance is pretty small. It's pretty minimal. So as I talked about earlier, not too concerned about that. But for this evening, it's pretty cold. By 11 o'clock, 32, but then overnight heading down to 25 degrees by daybreak. So naturally, it's a cold start at sunrise tomorrow morning, but we're waking up to sunshine. And then during the afternoon, a cloud-sun mixture, about 46, which is close to average. We'll be tending towards extra clouds, though, by mid to late afternoon. All right, here's your 7-day forecast. A little milder on Thursday, but it's the time of year now when you get the sea breeze, the wind off the water, the coastline is cooler, so best chance for lower 50s on Thursday would be inland, cooler at the coast, some extra clouds, but otherwise a dry day. And then here comes the rain, the wind, and even some fog on Friday. Rain showers likely, temperatures well into the 50s, a little cooler along the coastline. This wet weather should spill over into early Friday night, then drying out late Friday night. So when we wake up on Saturday, it's a breezy and dry day, and briefly topping out in the low 50s. The St. Patrick's Day Parade in Newport looks breezy, dry, and cool. It'll be cooler down in Newport with temperatures probably in the upper 40s, but overall decent weather for that St. Patrick's Day Parade. We are cooler but bright on Sunday with some sunshine and temperatures in the middle 40s. Monday of next week, you see some snow. That looks like snow showers and not a snowstorm, but cooler with highs only in the upper 30s to lower 40s. So cold night tonight and fairly dry next couple of days, and then we'll bring in some of that rain and wind and fog on Friday. So that's the latest forecast. Check back with me tonight at 10 o'clock on Fox Providence, and again at 11 o'clock on WPRI Channel 12 for the latest updates. And, of course, meteorologist Michelle Muscatello is in on tomorrow morning, bright and early, starting at 4:30 a.m. Thanks for logging in, and we'll talk to you later.